Hi, I'm Principal Dwayne Poland at Buckeye Trail High School, and welcome to our virtual open house. The upcoming school year will be unlike any other we have experienced in our lifetimes. If you have any questions beyond our presentation today, please call the high school office at 489 5005. If you would like to see your schedule, please log into your progress book. We will have schedules available Tuesday morning for those of you that cannot print. Now moving on, I've invited some familiar faces to share some expectations with you today.
Hi, I am Tracy Taylor, the nurse here at Buckeye Trail. I am excited to welcome students back to our building. As we reopen our building, we ask that both parents and students help in ensuring that we keep our building and community safe. Students, please help us in stopping the spread of germs while on campus by washing your hands often, wearing your mask or other face covering, and maintaining social distancing. We also ask that you make sure that you do not attend school when you are ill. Please check your temperature daily and do not report to school if you have a fever of 100.0 or greater. Your temperature will also be checked upon entering the building. Any student who develops a fever, cough, congestion, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, sore throat, shortness of breath, loss of taste or smell, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea will be sent home. If your student is unable to drive, we will transport them to the Blue Medical Building in Old Washington until being picked up by a parent or guardian. We appreciate all of your help in keeping our building and community safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Taylor. And now moving on to the first person you're going to see each and every day when you enter the high school secretary, Mrs. Shipman.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Shipman. I'm the high school secretary. I will help you when you check in and out of the building. If you have any problems with your lockers, schedules, if you need work permits or parking passes.
Thank you, Mrs. Shipman. And now as you walk back the hallway, you will find our athletic and guidance secretary, Miss Becky Lenars.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Lenars. I'm the guidance and athletic secretary, and I will help you with your scheduling for sports and guidance. Also, I can't wait to see everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Lenars. Next to Mrs. Lenars' desk, you will find our school counselor, Mrs. Stephanie Forshee.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Forshee. I am the school counselor here at Buckeye Trail. Welcome to the 2021 school year. I am here to help you with scheduling, graduation pathways, and social emotional health. So you can stop by my office anytime. And as always, go Warriors.
Thank you, Mrs. Forshee. Now we'd like to switch gears and introduce our school resource officer, Deputy John Zimmerman.
Hi everyone, Deputy Zimmerman back with you guys for another year. I'm here to help ensure the safety of staff and students at Buckeye Trail and also help create positive relationships between law enforcement and our youth.
Thank you, Deputy Zimmerman. We do appreciate you keeping us safe throughout the school year. And now moving on to our classrooms, down the social studies hallway, I'd like to introduce Mr. Dave Holdren.
Hi Warriors, this is Mr. Holdren here, and I'll be teaching you World History and Civics this year. Look forward to meeting you and sharing in a successful year here at Buckeye Trail with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Holdren. Now, walking down the steps to the gymnasium, you will find our PE teacher, Miss Nicole Hawkins.
Hi, my name is Miss Hawkins, and I will be teaching health, physical education, and outdoor adventures this year, along with teen girl health and fitness. Please remember to come prepared for class, have your mask on, be courteous to one another, and also the teachers and staff. Remember, we are all in this together, and make sure you take frequent hand washing breaks.
Thank you, Miss Hawkins. Now we will head down to the math hallway. I would like to introduce Mr. Nathan Fisher.
Hi, I'm Mr. Fisher, and I teach Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. I'm also the head coach for both the cross-country team and track team. Some things to remember, just be kind to one another, and as long as you bring high work ethic and perseverance, then I think we're going to get through this. Remember, may the fish be with you always.
Thank you, Mr. Fisher. Just down the hall from Mr. Fisher, you will find our Spanish classroom, where you will meet Senora Palmer.
Hola, my name is Senora Palmer, and I teach Spanish 1 through 4, as well as the yearbook classes. I am so excited to begin classes this year. As we begin this new adventure, please remember, be respectful to each other, embrace new learning opportunities, and be willing to communicate with us as concerns arise. We are all here to support one another. Go Warriors.
Thank you, Senora. And now we have saved the very best for last, a man who really needs no introduction, with 40 plus years of experience in education, a legend on the gridiron and in the classroom, Mr. Bill Hartmeyer.
Hello, my name is Bill Hartmeyer. I'm assistant principal at Buckeye Trail High School. I just want to remind students to practice social distancing when you're here or wear a mask when that is not possible. Also, because our water stations are turned off in the hallway, you'll need to bring your own water bottle in case you get thirsty. Please use our hand sanitizing stations and to wash your hands thoroughly when you can. Lastly, I just want to say I look forward to seeing everyone. We will face some challenges this year, but I look forward to having a great year. And we look forward to next Tuesday and to our upcoming school year.